Hey everybody, welcome back to Building with Boofus. So out here to getting some of that firewood. Remember the other day we hauled it out of the woods, so we got the trusty log loader, so we're going to load her up, take it to the house. So here we go. Alright everybody, well that I don't know, wasn't too bad I guess. Didn't take us too long. But if you look, I'll take you over here to look. We've got a good pile started there. I think it's probably over a cord, but not by much. There might be a cord and a half there. But yeah, so anyway, we have got quite a bit more to haul, and we've got quite a bit more to cut. So probably in the next couple days we'll head out into the woods. We got a couple big piles down in the woods there that's got to be loaded onto the log trailer with the tractor, hauled up to the yard, and then hauled to the house here. So yeah, if you want to see us do some more of that, you guys want to hang out, follow along, or just see what's going on next, hit that subscribe button and like this video, and stay tuned for the next time, and we'll see what's up next. Thanks guys, we'll see you.